In this video, I will show you how to connect a custom domain to GoHighLevel that you can then use for your funnels, websites, whatever you want to use it for. So in this example, I'll be using a Hostinger domain, but you can also use a GoDaddy, Namecheap, or really any other type of domain registrar. The process is pretty much the same. First, you want to go and open up GoHighLevel and sign into the sub-account that you want to connect with the domain. From there, go to Settings in the bottom left, and then here in the left menu, you want to go to Domains. Now here from within your domains, go and click on Connect a Domain, and here select what you want to use it for. For example, in my case, funnel, website, store, blog, webinar, and then click on Connect right there. Now here, going to type in the domain that you own, which for me is this one right here, and then click Continue. Now here you can also add www. And then your domain and redirect traffic to your website, which is recommended and which is what I will do. And then it will say setting up your domain. What you will need to do is add some DNS records in your domain registrar, which I'll show you how to do. So you can see the DNS records here. Usually it's only 2, and if you don't do the www, usually it's only 1. But this is fairly simple, so we have an A record and CNAME record. For now, just go to the A record and copy the required value, and remember the host is a root. So now, for example, I'm using Hostinger, but again, you can use any registrar, and you just want to go to your domains, and then go to Manage on the domain that you are connecting to GoHighLevel. And from there, go to the DNS and name servers. And you then want to scroll down to the DNS records right here. Now, if you have any DNS records currently, you can just go and delete those. And then you want to add new DNS records. So first we're adding a type A record. The name is the root and points to what you just copied. Then click Add Record. Now for the other one, this is a CNAME record with www. And here just copy the second part. Then go back to your domain registrar and now add a CNAME record. For the name, do www, and for the target, paste that in and click Add Record. After adding both of those records, go back to GoHighLevel and click Verify Records. Now, the DNS updates could even take up to 24 to even 48 hours. Usually the propagation does happen within 20 minutes, but it can take quite a bit longer, so if it doesn't work instantly, that is normal, but sometimes it will. So in this case, you can see there was a problem. It couldn't find the CNAME and A record. Now I have already added them, but as I said, updating the DNS records fully can take up to 24 and even 48 hours. But usually what I found is it's done within about 5 minutes. So in this case, it seems to be taking a bit longer, but as long as you have the A record and CNAME record with the appropriate host and required value, then it will work and it just needs some time. So that's how to connect a custom domain to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.